Today, we're going to get some advice from some high caliber veteran professional wrestlers. You think you got what it takes? We'll find out in this episode of Hello America.
Let's go, Brandon! Let's go, Brandon!
This episode will either talk you into or talk you out of wanting to be a pro wrestler. Today's Mac 0311 no-kill shelter of the week is Brookings Regional Humane Society in Brookings, South Dakota. Hello, America. Today we are at Premier Pro Wrestling in Woodstock, Illinois. Sit back and enjoy this one. Let's kick it.
You know, you can run 6 miles,
and it doesn't.
And you could be able to run 6 miles, and you get here for 2 minutes and blow up in a second. I mean, there is no replication.
I mean, the physical act of the bumping and then picking yourself off the mat quickly.
Like, don't worry, I get on the Stairmaster 45 minutes a day. Then you come in here and
it's not really gonna help.
Yeah, it's not gonna help.
Wow.
It's a lot of up and down. It's hard to explain, but
it's literally picking yourself up off the mat.
I mean,
10 times in 5 minutes.
what happens is when you get to a certain point in your career, when you get in your 30s and you have 10 years of whatever, you start to work different, but it's actually better. You work smarter, not harder, which I wish I would have known that when I had the physical capabilities. If I could implant that in my head, I would have been so much wasted motion. Yeah. It's really timing and knowing when to do stuff.
Wow, wasted motion. Yeah. That's something to think about. could they be bad guys this week and next year be good guys? Do you kind of stick when you?
Oh, I don't know, man.
Is it like a clown?
Temperament? I don't know.
Oh yeah.
no.
Well, I mean, a lot of times when we were doing our thing in AWF, 20 years ago, 18 years ago, we didn't have, like a weekly broadcast. We just, like matches were recorded just for prosperity, but it wasn't a running storyline. So I remember because I love working heel, and it's basically all I've done for Randy and all this, and all this time is work heel. I'm a fair believer in you're a babyface or you're a heel. So when you're a babyface, you work different move sets, use different psychology. Heel, you change it up. It's night and day.
Yeah.
I mean, you can do some of the same stuff, but it's more effective if you do the cheap stuff when you're heel, and do the good thing, the right thing when you're a babyface, and that's lost today. It really is. That match together and what you do with it. And that's a skill, and that is not very easily learned, and some people never learn it.
Yeah. It takes time.
It takes time, and I'm glad I still have that.
The only way you really get better at this, I mean, you have to come to training and learn the fundamentals, but the only way that you really get good at this is doing it all the time with people that are better than you in front of audiences. Because there's so much feel to it, and it's hard to explain. It's really, I mean, the guys that are the best at it, they don't have to know anything before they go out there, and they have an ear for the crowd, and they can just know what to do next instinctually through years of repetition and working in front of. Because you could lay something out and it may not work. I mean, every crowd's different. If they're not buying something, you have to be able to go in other directions. Yeah. That's the art of it. It's really, that's the art of wrestling, is being able to work that way.
Read that crowd.
Right.
Become a member. All you got to do is go to my homepage on YouTube, click on the word join. A menu will open and show you the options and different levels in which you could join. After finding a membership level that's comfortable for you on a monthly basis, click join. Another menu will open, confirm the level of membership in which you're signing up for, and then when you hit buy, you got your first stripe.